So today I have decided that I'm going to change my drawer system. Currently I have it as 3 just storage drawers, and then the main storage drawer with my fridge normally sits on top of it with the battery box sitting behind it. And I generally keep my cooker stove in here, which is fine, which is all good and well, but that doesn't then involve you having to get it out, and if you plonk it on the tailgate here, then obviously you're blocking these 3 drawers. Normally you have it on a table, but for quickness, if you just wanted to get out and make a cup of tea or quick something to eat, I've decided that I'm going to, well, as I've got some more drawer runners, and I'm going to take the front of this drawer off. Then I will put the 2 drawer runners in the actual drawer itself and screw it down. I've got a bit of stock board around the corner, real thin piece, because we're really limited on height. It actually took me forever to try and find the right things to make it. It's only a just fit without having to alter all the sizes of the drawers. I didn't really want to go and do that. So yeah, I'll bolt that, screw that to that piece of wood at the bottom, and then the stock board on top of this. And then on top of the stock board, I've got Stavango double cooker burner, which the main reason I went for this was just purely because of the height. Everything else is so much taller. I would like a bigger one, it would be nice, but just because of the room, I mean, I could chop this side and change it all, but I like the level how it is. So if I could work around it, then that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, pretty much today I'm going to bolt them in there, put a piece of stock board on, and then sit that on top. That is quite a snug fit, but then in turn that will then extend out to here, so my stove will be out here, and then well, actually no, I'll keep it closer, so it will sort of sit here somewhere, and then I've actually got some, I'll just grab them. Just using the work Landrover as a little storage place. So I've got these are actually tactical defense weapons. I don't know, some Chinese thing. They extend out in case someone attacks you. But I thought, I just like the idea of the telescopic. So when the stock board is in place, I'm going to clamp with these little P-clamps to that stock board. I think probably underneath, depends on how the width is. And then if I have a slightly longer bolt in here, I can pull these out here, and then I've got a collapsible sink that just pops up on the camping sink. And that actually measures just the same width as what the sink is. So the sink can be just plonked on there, and it's just ideal. You can just chuck from your cookery stuff straight into your sink. And then when you pack away, you just shut all that in, it's tucked in there, and it all nicely goes and tucks away. That's the plan. Whether it will work exactly like that, I don't know, but we'll have a go and see what happens. done. Most of it went to plan. The sink, you may need a little bit more. So I've actually put the jaw face back on just to try and disguise it a little bit, although you can see it. So yeah, pretty much it's now in here. It's actually quite stiff to the colour, but that keeps it in tight, so that's good. I don't actually know how much you can see on there. I'll just check. So yeah, the cooker fits in nicely. That's actually screwed down to the stock board. That ain't going to go anywhere. And then I'm going to have my gas hose that clips into here, and then my original gas hose that I'll go here, and then quick fit up to the roof rack. So the sink idea was to have these tactical stick things and extend out here. I mean, it does go in. It's just not fitting as well as I hoped. I thought it would. It's just because the different circumferences of these telescopic pipes. But I'm sure I can figure something. I may put hooks on here or something and just sort of hook it in. Let's sit over. Or obviously the other option is to have either another piece of stock board or something like that, and cut to that size that I can just sort of store on top of here, and then put on there, and then I can just simply sit that on there rather than actually in it, which wouldn't make much difference. But I mean, I think the weight will be okay. It seems to be. I mean, these have been glued and screwed down, although it's not very big. But then, because of the weight, these, I don't quite know why they sit slightly slanted in the truck. I think it's to do with the curve and things, but that does then make the tailgate take most of the weight, so that's quite beneficial really. So then it really just relies on these one set of blades. But yeah, I'm pretty chuffed. I'd like to sort of try it out. Might find some gas and hook it up and see how that goes. But yeah, this perhaps needs a little bit more thinking. Had it all in my head, but till you actually go and have a go at it, you don't quite know. But there we go. Any questions about it? Please feel free to ask, or any improvements I can make. Maybe someone else has done something similar and they could maybe help out with this side of things. So if you don't already, follow me on Instagram. It's LRO_overland, or yeah, subscribe on YouTube would be brilliant. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll let you know how it gets on. Thanks for watching.